Hi guys, hope everyone is well. Today we're going to be talking about ICP and the ultimate guardian of safe and ethical artificial intelligence. AI development will need safeguards, which the current Web 2 stack cannot provide. That is why we need Internet Computer Protocol's ICP safety architecture to mitigate risks like misuse data breaches, bias, and uncontrolled escalation. ICP's design emphasizes decentralization, cryptographic integrity, and fault tolerance to create tamper-proof, unstoppable systems, principles that are increasingly seen as essential for safe AI, especially as models grow more powerfully and integrated into critical infrastructure. Below, I'll break down this step by step, drawing on parallels between the two domains. Understanding ICP safety architecture. The Internet Computer Protocol, developed by Definity, is a blockchain-based platform that extends the Internet with decentralized computing. Its safety architecture includes decentralization via subnets. The network consists of multiple independent blockchain instances subnets, each run by decentralized nodes. This reduces single point of failure and contagion risks, unlike centralized systems where one breach can compromise everything. Cryptographic security. Features like chain key technology and immutable cryptography ensure data and code are tamper-proof, enabling trustless interactions and protecting against unauthorized alterations. Fault tolerance and resilience. Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus makes the system unstoppable even under attacks or failures, while assessment by firms like Trail of Bits validate features like decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs and cross-chain integrations. These elements make ICP immune to cyber attacks in ways traditional internet protocols aren't, by distributing control and embedding security at the protocol level. So guys, key risks in AI development requiring safeguards. This is the most important fundamentals. AI systems, particularly large language models, autonomous agents pose unique challenges. Privacy and data leaks. Training and inference often involve sensitive data, for example, medical records, personal info, risking breaches in centralized clouds. Integrity and tampering. AI models can be altered, maliciously leading to biased outputs or hallucinations that spread misinformation. Also, availability and censorship. Centralized AI can be shut down or censored, disrupting critical applications like healthcare diagnostics. Ethical and existential risks. Without checks, AI could amplify biases, enable deepfakes, or even pose alignment issues where systems act against human interests. Responsible AI frameworks already call for transparency, fairness, accountability, and verifiability, echoing ICP's focus on trustless, audible operations. Parallels and why AI will need similar safeguards. AI development, guys, is converging with blockchain protocols like ICP, where decentralized architecture provides a blueprint for safety. Decentralized for resilience, just as ICP subnets prevent centralized failures. Decentralized AI or DEAI on platforms like ICP distributes model training and inference across nodes, making systems harder to attack or censor. This addresses AI's availability concerns, ensuring models remain operational even under duress. Cryptography for privacy and verifiability. ICP uses cryptography to ensure on-chain AI models, preventing data leaks and ensuring prompts are processed by untampered models. Techniques like zero-knowledge proof, ZKPs, allow verifications without exposing sensitive data, directly tackling AI privacy risks. Blockchain's immutable ledgers can also track AI decisions for accountability, similar to how ICP verifies smart contracts. Fault tolerance for ethical control. ICP's Byzantine Tolerance ensures reliable operations applied to AI. This could enable sovereign AI agents under DAO governance, incentivizing ethical development via tokenomics. Example, rewarding bias-free models, which is very important. Ongoing innovations like running AI directly on ICP for trustless inference demonstrate this in action. ICP is the only public blockchain currently capable of on-chain neural networks. Experts predict that as AI integrates with blockchain, ICP is the only solution to run safe AI on the web. AI agents, AI robots, and AI humanoids will need safeguards like the Internet Computer ICP decentralized system to address risks tied to their autonomy, connectivity, and data handling. Here's why. Secure and tampering risks. AI systems, especially those operating autonomously like robots or humanoids, are vulnerable to hacking, data breaches, or malicious reprogramming. Centralized servers are single points of failure, making them prime targets. ICP's decentralized blockchain ensures tamper-proof data storage and execution, securing AI models and their instructions. For example, ICP smart contracts candidates can run AI logic on-chain, preventing unauthorized alterations. Data integrity and privacy. AI agents process vast amounts of sensitive data, personal, financial, or operational information. Centralized systems risk data leaks or misuse by corporations, governments. ICP's encrypted distributed ledger ensures data integrity and user control, reducing reliance on untrusted intermediaries. This is critical for humanoids interacting in homes or workplaces where privacy breaches could be catastrophic. Imagine you've got your humanoids, your robots that get hacked. They can basically be like Terminator and pretty much kill the human race. You know what I mean? So it needs to have that guardian safeguard where it can't be hacked and needs to be 110% secure. And it only can be done on ICP through decentralized internet cloud, which is the only one. Autonomous governments, AI robots, and agents need clear, unalterable rules to prevent harmful actions. Example, Asimov's three law in practice. Read it up. It's actually some valuable information. ICP enables decentralized governments where rules are encoded in smart contracts and enforced by a network, not a single entity. This ensures AI behavior aligns with ethical standards, even in complex scenarios like autonomous vehicles or caregiving humanoids. If you've seen recently in China, they've got the first humanoids that are actually already stimulating, taking care of people in nursing homes. So they need to be able to have autonomous governance where they're controlled and can't be tampered with. Otherwise, you're risking people's lives. Interoperability and trust. As AI systems scale, think swarms of drones or networked humanoids. They'll need to interact seamlessly across platforms. ICP provides a standardized, trustless protocol for secure communication and coordination, avoiding proprietary lockings or fragmented ecosystems. In 2024, ICP's network processed 1.5 billion canister calls daily, showing its capacity for high-volume, secure interactions. Resilience against central failures. Centralized cloud providers, AWS, here for example, Azure, Alibaba, are prone to outages or censorship, which could cripple AI operations. A decentralized protocol like ICP ensures uptime and continuity. As nodes are distributed globally, this is vital for mission-critical AI like medical robots, industrial agents, humanoids, obviously robotics, agents where downtime could cost lives, millions of lives, or billions, trillions of dollars potentially. So there's the economic incentives for fairness. AI-only businesses, as you mentioned, attract massive capital, but this can lead to monopolistic control. ICP's token-based economy incentivizes decentralized participation. ensuring no single entity dominates AI infrastructure. Basically, this fosters fair access to AI resources, preventing a few tech giants from gatekeeping advanced robotics or agents. On the flip side, some argue centralized systems are more efficient for real-time AI processing due to lower latency and simpler management. However, the trade-off is vulnerability to single points of failure and less transparency. ICP's approach, while complex, mitigates these by prioritizing security and decentralization, which are critical as AI systems become more autonomous, pervasive, and complex. Without such safeguards, rogue AI or compromised systems can lead to systemic failures. Imagine hacked humanoids in public spaces or manipulated financial agents. Basically, getting to my point where you could potentially have billions and trillions of dollars of capital lost, or millions or tens of millions of lives lost because the hacked humanoids turning against people. So, so if you look at ICP being the only decentralized blockchain, internet cloud that can run this safely, so being the AI infrastructure layer that can run this safely, think of the value that it unlocks, or the trillions of dollars of value that it unlocks to be able to run this infrastructure safely. And it's here. We're here. Like the humanoids are pretty much here. The agents are here. It's just we're ready now over the next 2-3 years to scale to mass adoption. And ICP is the only solution to do that. So it's going to unlock trillions of dollars of value, safeguarding these AI systems. We're talking about a company that's a $3 billion market cap, and its only solution to do it, do your own research. But that's the biggest arbitrage of value that I have seen in a very, very, very long time. Do your own research. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's an eye opener to see how ICP unlocks trillions of dollars of value in regards to AI infrastructure. And yeah, take care. Keep raw, guys. Do your own research, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.